3 secrets to make your money have babies, even if you're super busy and even if you hate numbers. After I became a mom, I didn't have time to be stuck to my screen all day, and I didn't want to take too much risk. But I still wanted to create generational wealth for my baby. I came across one of Warren Buffett's mentees who told me instead of day trading, I should be value investing. That means becoming part owner of companies that I love and just hold on to them long term for at least 1 year. So secret number 1 is become a value investor. But how would you do this if you're not a math whiz? During my years on Wall Street, I learned that being a math whiz actually can hurt your portfolio because investing is an emotional game. Buy when everybody else is fearful and sell when everybody else is greedy. So secret number 2 is go against the crowd. But I still didn't have time to constantly be monitoring the crowd because I was a busy mom. So I found out that the best way that you can free yourself from emotions and spending time investing is using something called a buy and sell limit order. These are kind of like a crock pot. You set them, forget them, and then come back to smell the profits. If you want details on how to do this on your own and make your money have babies, save your spot for my free masterclass and download my free risk management toolkit just for attending the masterclass. You can save your spot here or here or here somewhere.